Hey everybody, welcome to today's training. I'm going to show you how to make money on Fiverr without actually needing any skills yourself or even fulfilling any services. Look, I've loved watching the gig economy grow over the past few years. Now more than ever, I've seen people are turning to side hustles and gigs to make a little more money on the side. I recently saw a report that these gigs or side hustles are projected to generate $445 billion next year. But what if you don't have any gigs of your own or any skills that you feel like you can offer? Well, I have a backdoor strategy that's going to allow you to tap into the $445 billion industry without even having any skills of your own or even fulfilling any services yourself. And that's all on today's training. Today, we're going to discuss what affiliate marketing is, for those of you who are new to this channel, what Fiverr does, and how you can tap into their platform as an affiliate marketer. We'll talk about niche selection, building marketing funnels, and why you need to create an ecosystem to grow your business. First, let's chat a little bit about affiliate marketing, how it works, and the benefits of using it in your own online business model. So affiliate marketing involves finding a product or service that you're passionate about or adds value to someone's life. An example could be a project management software or weight loss smoothies or a computer programming course. Next, you'll promote that product or service. And affiliate marketers use all different sorts of promotional strategies, from creating YouTube videos to running Facebook ads or solo ads. Many affiliate marketers also have blogs, podcasts, and email marketing as part of their strategy. For you, pick one and master it. Remember that organic strategies like having a YouTube channel are going to take time to produce results, so it's important to stick to a method and not give up. And lastly, after promoting a product to an audience that cares, you'll receive commissions when they purchase through you. All you did is serve as a connector. Now, some benefits include not needing to fulfill orders, not having to source products from China, and keep your overhead costs low. In some cases, you don't even need to have a website. Now, Fiverr is a platform for freelancers who like to sell their services. Some of these services can include things like logo design, web design, product photography, copywriting, digital marketing, professional voiceovers, data analysis, programming. And this is really just the tip of the iceberg. Any service you can think of is provided by someone on Fiverr. So let's talk about Fiverr's affiliate program. The cool thing about this particular program is that you can earn up to $1,000 for just one single conversion. If you're in the graphic design niche, for example, you could promote the top designers on Fiverr and then ride the wave of their high ticket prices. So that's pretty amazing. And Fiverr's affiliate program is free to join and takes just a few minutes. And really, there's no excuse for not signing up for an account. Now, this may go without saying that you can promote pretty much any service on Fiverr, and it gives you selection to promote something that you're personally interested in. So after you've signed up for Fiverr's affiliate program, you'll need to pick a niche or an area of focus to promote. And to help you pick a niche, just think about something that you're passionate about. You can ask yourself, do people want this? Next, you might want to look at the competition for the product and the demand needed on that product. When you look at the competition, you're thinking about, are there a lot of people already serving this niche? How saturated is it? And lastly, of course, you need to make sure it's available on Fiverr. Most likely it is. So some different niche examples that you can think of. It's definitely important to pick a niche that services a mass problem. Okay, so certain popular niches might be things like helping someone build their business, services that help people lose weight, services that help people make money, and services that help people automate boring and routine mundane tasks. So Do you have any ideas that you want to promote yet? Just thinking about this has given me new ideas of services I could offer to my audience. Now that you'll have an account with Fiverr set up and some services clicked to promote, we need to actually start bringing people to our affiliate link so we can cash in on some commissions. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there are tons of different ways to get traffic to your website or to your offers. So whether you run ads or you start a blog, the method is endless. The key that I wanted to focus on is what to do with that traffic. Some might recommend sending traffic directly to an affiliate link. This method might bring some consumers and some commissions, but that's it. That's the end of your relationship with that customer. A better way to create a sales funnel is to enable you to actually create a relationship with your potential customers. One way we can do this is by creating a lead magnet to give in exchange for an email address. This could be something like the top 10 creators to help you build a website for only $5, or whatever you're trying to help people discover. Now, you could either create this free lead magnet yourself, or you could use Fiverr to have someone do it for you. Either way, the key to growing your email list is by giving something of value in exchange for their email address. Now, once they opt in, you'll send them to an email for your free lead magnet, and if they make a purchase, you get a cut of the sales. Whether the person buys or not, you'll want to follow up with them. This is the foundation of your relationship. The more value you provide via emails, the more trust you'll build, and the more likely your list is going to make a purchase and they're going to buy through you. It's also important to consider what other types of products or services you can offer to your list. Maybe they don't buy the Fiverr gig you were promoting, but they need help, or they have some other aspect of their life or business. Email marketing gives you the opportunity to offer some relevant products and expand your revenue. This is the power of growing an email list. Now let's talk about different email marketing services. A Google search for email marketing will bring up hundreds of different companies, and the 4 that I wanted to highlight are GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, and Constant Contact. Any of these are awesome, but I recommend GetResponse. It's super user-friendly. It's got a 30-day free trial, and it's super affordable. Plus, it has a great affiliate program that you can offset your monthly bill. So if you're interested in checking that out and using this option, remember it's free to get started, and I have an affiliate link in the description. Now, if you're anything like me, when I get up to get started with all of this, you're probably wondering, how do I even get all this started? My recommendation is to check out the partnership program, where you can learn step by step what to do and how to build your business. My favorite is created by and offered by Anthony Morrison, partner with Anthony. In this program, he provides the tools, the training, and the products you'll need to build a successful business. So go ahead, click the link in the description for a free training where Anthony will actually show you how to get started. Thanks a lot and have a great day.